Hello and welcome. Today we have a queen size bed frame with a velvet upholstered headboard. Very soft. I liked it a lot. You can see all the parts here. It looks daunting, but it surprisingly went together quickly, less than an hour. What I noticed is some of the screws are actually preset for us and in the right place. Like I said, it went together really fast. The wooden slats sometimes give you trouble because you got to line each one up, but these were strung together with Velcro strips, and the boards were already set into the side panels, so it just plopped right down in there. We were able to get this mattress on there in no time at all. Overall, I'm happy with the build. It's tough, it's soft, it's nice. I like it. I think you will too. As always, thank you for watching.